Hey, I don't need designer garments to reveal my flyness. Hello, good morning. You tripping, mistaking weakness for my kindness. Thirsty ass nigga, trying to conceal your dryness. I can smell your dehydration, feel the vibration in your hatred. With my side eye, I can see your side eye, giving me the side eye. First round All-American, you on the sideline. Flow shocking, electrifying, increasing the current flow in the power lines. Lights out, just stars, E-ghosts, U50. Now that's a power line. Standing alone on both feet. You and your man both weak. This chopper flow, chop your flow. Mr. Miyagi style karate, chop your throat. No breathing, 365 days of rap. No sleeping, I do this. Every line is a line of coke. I prove this, speak slick, one eye open. Peep this, sharp metal object slice you. Deep dish, shots fired, the flow cop back and pop back. Y'all dying, when E spit, the flow shake 'em up. That's a pair of dice. You sing, jagged edge, across your throat. $1.50, a pair of Nikes. Bar after bar, no club hopping. Stopping, not an option. The break's bad plus opportunities knocking. Let it in, no record or jail time. I'm going in, glorifying the fact that my freedom was never offset. I'm cool enough, snatch mics from whack rappers. I'm rude enough, got a piece of that pie, George Jefferson style. I'm moving up, bar after bar, bars before work. You outrhyme me, you drunk, like you hit bars before work. Let me take my ass to work. Good morning. Skip.